Hello student, today we learn next part, lesson number 6, which is on page number 45. See, production of substances. See, first substance, rubber. Rubber is of two types, that is natural and artificial. Artificial means man-made. Okay, and natural rubber is obtained from the gum or sap of trees, and this sap is called latex. And rubber has a peculiar odor, and it is white in color. See, in the past, what happened? Charles Goodyear spilled a mixture of rubber and sulfur on a burning stove, okay, by mistakenly. And after the stove was extinguished, he noticed that the rubber had become harder and less elastic. And he repeated this experiment in a systematic way and invented the process of vulcanization. Okay, and hard and tough tires of rubber made thenceforth brought about a revolutionary change in transportation. Okay, by default it happened by mistakenly, but after that there is a transport revolution occur. Okay, because they are made tires which is usually in a transportation. Okay, by accidentally it happened, but it is a useful experiment. Okay student, then see, vulcanization of rubber. In this process, rubber is heated with sulfur for 3 to 4 hours, and to give hardness to the rubber, sulfur is mixed in it, and the proportion of sulfur in the mixture is determined by the purpose for which the rubber will be used. Erasers, rubber balls, rubber toys all have varying proportions of sulfur in them, and in rubber bands the proportion of sulfur is very small. Okay, as this way there is a changing proportions of sulfur. Various types of rubber we can made. Okay, as like erasers, rubber balls, rubber toys, rubber bands, and in rubber bands the proportion of sulfur is very small. See, do you know there is given information? Rubber is a natural substance obtained by collecting the latex of a certain tree, and rubber trees are found in the abundance in a large in a Brazil country. This tree occurs in a large amount. Later these trees were planted in other countries too, and the botanical name of this tree is Hevea braziliensis. And in India the maximum production of rubber is in Kerala state. There is a maximum production of rubber tree. Okay student, as this way we produce different types of rubber. Then see, on this page, same page, they are given manufacturing of paper process. See the process of manufacturing paper. We know that paper is obtained from trees. See, their processes are first shown trees, and after that then take logs of wood. Okay, logs of wood means लाकडाचे ओंडके. Then in first step peeling the logs, that means debarking the logs, and after that means here लाकडाची साल काढली जाते फर्स्ट प्रोसेस मध्ये. नेक्स्ट आफ्टर that wood became a smash, and we get after some process, some adding dyes, we get pulp. Okay, and after that pressing the pulp with rollers we get papers and binding the papers on reels. Okay student, as this way we manufacture paper from trees. First take logs of wood, after the peeling the logs, and then it's broken and becomes smaller and smaller particles, and then adding some dyes, we get pulp, and after that pressing that pulp of wood with the roller we get paper. As this way we manufacture paper from the trees. Okay student, so today we will see a production of rubber as well as process of manufacturing paper. Okay student, so today we will stop here.